Nearly 900 flights in Japan were canceled, and 240,000 people were ordered to move to safety as a slow-moving typhoon crossed Japan's main island of Honshu, not far from the ancient capital of Kyoto, cutting off power to tens of thousands of homes. Typhoon Lan, approaching from the Pacific Ocean, made landfall early on Tuesday at the southern tip of Wakayama Prefecture, some 400 kilometers, 250 miles, southwest of Tokyo, bringing heavy rain and powerful winds across a wide swath of central and western Japan as it moved north. Authorities issued flood and landslide warnings as rivers rose to the top of their banks, with parts of some bridges washed away. Tornadoes formed in several areas but did not cause major damage. By evening, the center of the storm, which had weakened to tropical storm strength, was nearing the Sea of Japan. Though forecasters warned concentrated rains were still possible across a wide area. It continued to move slowly at around 15 kilometers an hour, 9.3 miles per hour, raising the potential for flooding as rain pelted the same areas for a long time. Parts of central Japan recorded 585 millimeters, 23 inches, of rain in the 24 hours to 7 o'clock p.m. Some 24 people were injured, with one in serious condition, NHK Public Television said. Authorities said they had set up evacuation centers in safe buildings and high ground for residents across 11 prefectures, whom the Fire and Disaster Management Agency told to seek shelter. As well as the disruption to flights, the dangerous rain and wind forced the closure of some roads and the suspension of dozens of train services, although by evening on Tuesday, some roads were reopening. Power outages hit almost 90,000 households in central and western Japan, according to regional utilities. I said about 210 of its 7-Eleven convenience store outlets were shuttered to ensure safety. The dangerous levels of rain and wind forced road closures and dozens of train lines to suspend services in the area. Over the next 24 hours, the central Tokyo region, the home of the Toyota Motor Company, was expected to get about 350 millimeters, 13.8 in of rainfall, nearly 3 times the average rainfall for the month of August. Many factories closed during the Obon holidays, when city dwellers returned to their ancestral homes. It was forecast to reach the Sea of Japan by early Wednesday and continue north. The spokesperson said that all Japan Airlines and all Nippon Airlines ANA flights have been suspended. Typhoon Lan follows Typhoon Kanon, which lashed southwestern Japan with wind and rain earlier this month.
आराम से।
Like many other Asian countries, Japan has been grappling with deadly extreme weather this summer. In July, heavy rainfall in the southwest of the country led to flooding and mudslides, which left at least 6 people dead. The same month, Japan experienced intense heat waves with temperatures above 39 degrees Celsius, 102 Fahrenheit, in some places. Scientists are clear that human-caused global warming will increase the frequency and intensity of extreme weather events.
आराम से।